Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our new Arabic lesson. Today we are going to learn prepositions in Arabic, what we call hurufi jar. So my dear students and dear friends and dear all learners throughout the world, it will be better if you share your thoughts. Sometimes in some of the videos we see not too much response from the students, so please, it will be request to learn Arabic language for the sake of learning Quran. It's our motto that every person should be able to learn Quran, should be able to read Quran, should be able to read Hadith, and should learn grammar and language of Quran. Today we are going to learn how prepositions work. Before that, we'll give introduction. So first I'll write here today's topic, prepositions. So dear students, what prepositions are actually? We have some basic prepositions. We have some prepositions which are not basic, which we call complex prepositions there in English language. Prepositions are actually, these are link words, these are linkers. These link the part of sentence with other part within the sentence, same sentences. So you should not be confused when we are talking about conjunction or when we are talking about prepositions. Conjunctions are which connect two sentences there, be it complex sentence, be it compound sentence. So in case of prepositions, these are the link words which link within the sentence the parts like pronouns, parts like nouns, and other parts with other parts of the same sentence. We call it hurufi jar. We call it hurufi jar. So dear students, you know that when we are talking about the form of nouns, there are mainly three different forms. One is called marfu, one is called marfu, and one is called mansub. One is called mansub, and one is called majroor. So dear students, I wrote here three different forms. Any noun which you look there in the dictionary or which stands individually there, you may see their dhamma on the last alphabet, on the last letter, dhamma. It may be tanween, dun, and we call those words marfu. We call those words marfu. And whenever you see fatha there on the last alphabet, fatha, dhamma is like of this, fatha is like of this, on the last alphabet, we call those words as mansub. We call this is a form of mansub of this word. And when we see kasra there, on the last alphabet, we call those words, we call that it's a majroor form. It's a majroor form, so marfu form, so mansub form, so majroor form. So we see now today we are talking about majroor form because we are talking about prepositions. So dear students, see how prepositions work. When a word is in the form of majroor, when there is majroor form of the word, only twice. Maybe there are exceptions, but we will talk of twice. Two times the words are there in the majroor form. One is when there is muzaf and muzaf ilayh. For example, I will talk here. Please, you may zoom it that students will see because it doesn't show the clarity today. It's hadikatul, and I may write here it's baiti, hadikatul baiti. Whenever you are writing muzaf ilayh or muzaf ilayh, if you are Urdu student, you are knowing Urdu because so many students from Asian countries, they know Urdu. You have to bring it first in case of Urdu, this one, and you have to bring it after that. That it becomes that the garden of the house, the garden of the house. In case of Urdu, you can say first this, bayat, gar, and then you can say bag, garden. So in case of these Arabic words, we see their majroor form. We see this bait is in the form of this majroor form because there is kasra on the lost alphabet underneath. Not on the lost alphabet, but it's underneath the lost alphabet. That's called majroor form. So in case of whenever any word, now the rule is whenever any word is preceded with a preposition, because basically we'll talk today the basic prepositions there, like P, like Allah, like Hauka, like Min. See, this is called in or within. You can say sometimes this is on, this Allah, this is what we call above, and this Min is from. So these are the basic prepositions there in Arabic language. Now we'll see if we will follow these prepositions with words. They won't be now in the marfu form. They will be converted to majroor form. So this was hadika, or hadik means garden. Now we'll see. We'll write like this. So what we'll write here, what we'll show here, this becomes fill. This becomes fill, and then there is hadikati. This is now majroor form. This is fill hadikati. Fill hadikati. Ala or alal maktabi. Alal maktabi or fawkash shajari. Fawkash shajari on the tree. Alal maktabi on the table. Min or minal hindi. So we sometimes don't read the last word like hindi, like hadikati. Sometimes we make silent as the spoken Arabic is concerned. We say fil hadika, or we say ala shajar. So fawka ala shajar, fawka shajar min al hindi, min al Pakistani, or min al Saudi. So these are the words. These are the basic prepositions. Whenever we attach words, whenever we precede the words with prepositions, the words take the marfu form. The words take marfu form. So for your information, you must know that these prepositions are mainly of two types. Mainly of two types. One is separable, and another group is non-separable. Non-separable. Separable in the sense non-separable. I'll write here non-separable. Separable in the sense that we say fi or fil hadikati. It's not within the word. It doesn't become the part. Fi doesn't become the part of the word. So it's a separable preposition, and this is also separable preposition. This is also separable preposition. This is also separable preposition. But some words are there, some prepositions are there which are non-separable. Like we say be, or we say le. These are the prepositions. We say bil kalam or bil kalami. These with the pen or by the pen. Or these are the non-separable prepositions. So to evaluate it or to summarize it, so today's topic was prepositions. Prepositions are like it connects one part of the word with one part of the sentence with another part. So there are two different types of prepositions. One is separable and one is non-separable. The separable ones, these are fi, ala, these are basic prepositions. We'll take some lessons, some 4 or 5 lessons to complete all prepositions. And whenever we are preceding any word with by preposition, they are converted to majroor form. And whenever preposition and it is noun is there, we call it jar majroor. We call it jar majroor. And whenever preposition is there, we call it hurufi jar. And this is jar majroor. And whenever word is there, we call it majroor form. We call it majroor form. So dear students, do the practice of this lesson, and don't neglect to join us also on Facebook, or you can download our videos there on YouTube, or you can go to TubeD, or you can write there. Simply you have to type there Arabic with Syed Hamid, and you can have access to all videos. So note our address, bukharihamid786 @gmail.com. Till then, ma'as salama.